So we got a 6.0 here. It's an 05 school bus, but it's got a 6-liter in it, and it was towed in, and a mobile guy put a high pressure pump, bought a bunch of parts, and towed it in here and says, here, you know, we can't get this thing figured out. And we started diagnosing it and realized there was no low pressure oil, and there was no oil in it. So we actually put oil in it. Still just a long crank, no low oil pressure. So we went down, took the oil with the low oil pressure regulator out, and it was stuck, had a little metal shaving in it. So we ended up taking the low oil pump, the low pressure oil pump gears out, and replaced them, and boom, we got oil pressure, and the thing started up. So always check for low oil pressure before you go to the high oil pressure, because this guy just spent a bunch of money for nothing. So just a little tip on that.